Shalom Talmud Day of Yeshua our Messiah. Today we will learn to prepare unleavened bread, to obey the commandment that we see in Leviticus chapter 23, where the Eternal gives instruction to eat unleavened bread for 7 days. The ingredients we will need are 1 cup of wheat flour, half a spoon of salt, 3 spoons of oil, and 1/4 cup of water. Step 1. In a container, mix the flour, salt, and oil. Step 2. Add the water little by little while forming a soft dough. It should be little by little since it depends on the dough you use because the quality changes in different brands. You may use the exact amount from the recipe, more or less, but you will gain experience the more you make them. Make sure you take note of the amount to use alongside this recipe. Step 3. Divide your dough into several equal parts. Form them into balls and, quickly, we will continue with the next step. Step 4. Take a small ball and start flattening it with a rolling pin until it is thin, but does not break. Step 5. With a fork, poke your unleavened bread so that it does not inflate once you cook it. Step 6. You must have a hot pan or griddle ready on the stove. There, the unleavened bread will cook in a couple of minutes, and so you will repeat the flattening process until you finish with all the dough. And you can sing like this so you don't forget the ingredients. Mix it, mix it, mix it, a little bit of flour with oil and salt, a little bit of water, now knead it, knead it, knead it. Take a little piece and flatten, flatten, flatten. Cook it on the fire. Mix it, mix it, mix it, a little bit of flour with oil and salt, a little bit of water, now knead it, knead it, knead it. Take a little piece and flatten, flatten, flatten. Cook it on the fire. Unleavened bread, 7 days of unleavened bread, 7 days for us to feast to honor Elohim. Unleavened bread, 7 days of unleavened bread, 7 days for us to feast to honor Elohim, to honor Elohim, to honor Elohim. We will also learn how to prepare unleavened bread but with whole wheat flour and with cocoa. The process is the same. Let's remember that after the memorial of Pesach and the first day of Matzot are a holy convocation. We should continue preparing unleavened bread, giving it the flavor that we like the most, but don't forget, without yeast. That way, we will enjoy the days of unleavened bread. Hag Sameach Matzot!
How to contact Cielos Nuevos Niños. Little friends, remember to visit the website of Cielos Nuevos y Tierra Nueva in the sección de Niños, or the section of Kids, www.cielosnuevosytierranueva.org, and download all of our free material. We have a WhatsApp and Telegram number, +52 33 28 24 91 85, where you can send us your photos and videos. You can also reach out to us on Facebook at Cielos Nuevos Niños. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cielos Nuevos Niños, and let's continue learning about the Eternal's instruction.